That's no muffler too. Took the whole fucking muffler off. Nice. Mud terrain, I guess. Damn, that does sound good, man.
Too loud though.
That sounds good.
Too loud for daily driver though.
You never know, man.
Well, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hold it up to the exhaust before it gets hot and see how it sounds.
Yeah, sounds good. Alright, we're gonna try the old muffler flowmaster from this piece of junk here we got. Scrap metal. You know, partying it out. No, not really, but. Alright then. Do it, man. As you can see, we got our safety glasses on. Yeah, and everything.
T-shirt, but.
See us, the old mufflers here. Let me do a comparison on this shit. Okay. Yeah, that was a big old difference there. That thing's probably bigger than Nate's body right there. It is. Man. It's a good tube though, at least. Alright. Here we go, man. Yeah, the turn down's in the back. I don't know if you can turn it down. If not, I mean, shit. Well, yeah, of course.
The pipe is,
too small?
stock pipe is cowering.
I know. That's what I told. Hey.
We can hit AutoZone, get a reducer.
That's not what you want to do, man. But fuck it. Let's see how it sounds with a flowmaster now. Just. Hey. That does sound good. Got it quieter, I'll tell you that. That sounds good.
I think I like that.
Yeah, that sounds mellow and just...
Yeah, just the way I need it.
Yeah.
Now I
Fuck
gotta
it.
find a way to hang it up there.
Yeah, those clamps, I don't think they're going to do any good unless... You might drill a boat through it. I got self-tappers. That's the getaway, how to do it.
Shit, as long as it stays up here, I don't give a shit.
Alright, fuck it. We'll be back later.